In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a multi-column drop-down menu in WordPress. Creating an organized and visually appealing navigation menu can greatly enhance the user experience on your website. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start configuring your multi-column drop-down menu. From your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Appearance section. You can find this on the left-hand menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list of options related to the look and feel of your site. Next, select menus from this list. This will take you to a page where you can create and manage your site's menus. If you haven't already created a menu, you'll need to do so now. You can start by giving it a name, perhaps something simple and descriptive like main menu. Once your main menu is created, it's time to start adding some parent items. These are the top-level items that will appear in your navigation bar. Consider these items as categories or main sections of your website, like Home, About Us, or Services. These are the primary options users will see first in your navigation bar. Now comes the fun part, adding items to your dropdown. You'll want to add sub-items or subcategories under your parent items. This is what creates the drop-down effect when users hover over the menu. To add a sub-item, simply drag an item below your chosen parent item and move it slightly to the right. This indentation indicates that it's subordinate to the parent menu and will appear as part of the drop-down. Repeat this process for any additional sub-items you want to include under each parent item. Ensure that the hierarchy is clear and intuitive, which will make navigation seamless for your visitors. For more visual appeal, you might also consider adding a CSS class to create different styles for these menus. As you build your menu, keep an eye on the menu structure panel. This will give you a clear view of your menu layout, making it easy to ensure that each item is in its proper place. Use this visual guide to tidy up any changes and see exactly how your menu will look to users. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click the Save Menu button. This step is crucial. It ensures all your changes are kept. Then, go ahead and check your website to see the new multi-column drop-down menu in action. It's always a good idea to test the menu on your actual site to ensure that all the links work and the drop-downs operate smoothly. And that's it! You've successfully created a multi-column drop-down menu. This feature not only organizes your content, but also enhances the overall user experience on your website. Keep exploring WordPress's many features, and soon you'll have an even more dynamic and appealing site. Thanks for watching, and happy building!